Sanibona ngegama nguManqoba inyoni emnyama. Yeah, Timeline Radio Sports. Angambi ngedwa, ngamba noDumitungu. Dumitungu mfowethu njengoba sazi ukuthi bekumdlalo ukuthi bekuphuzeke niwine njengabalandeli beMakhosi for life. Uzizwa njani?
Hayi asicreate ama viewer futhi it's been a long time since sibabulisa but anyway asibonge ukuba la vandag mfethu. Kaizer Chiefs neMagesi. As I said last week ukuthi I put my head on the block. Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ayizoyiwina le game namhlanje but along the way I was disappointed mfethu with coach wami. As much as bengimpraise kwi game yeSundowns leba iluzile but today kunezinto ezebhaya ngibona ucoach azenza ukuthi ngifila ngathi zibuyisela i-team emuva in terms of chopping and changing because
asikize nje ukungena emlomeni mfethu yasikise asithi sicale nje nge-first half njengoba ukuthi ukhala njengokuthi ucoach izinto azenzile so wena njengoba first half bekayi ngale first 11 leyo ukuthi uye ngayo bo suggest ukuthi enze njani?
Okay, firstly I will say we team edlale neSundowns, ne? Kukhona izinto ebezi positive kule team liyana. So you build from there. Yabo. So awukwazi ukungathi ubuilde then bese uphinde uyadiliza futhi uqala kabusha. Asiye kwi defense yakhe. I-defense yakhe uyichope kakhulu wayichanger and then like umuthi ubheka ukuthi ufake umsimanga ukuthi manje yabona ukuthi okay uyatesta ngiunderstand ukuthi uyatesta uDove udlalile waba grand now ubuyisa umsimanga but ke esikhatheni samanje Chiefs indaba zokutesta if uthole something engathi right concrete nyana qhubeka nayo then uteste other people ukuya phambili yabo so i-defense and then emidlilini lokuya chop ya change mfethu I understand ukuthi kwenzakalani with ucela lokasinikeza ama man of the match performance ku past 3 games or so still umshiya ngaphandle namhlanje so angazi ukuthi whether ulungiselela igame yange weekend or maybe unyatha like amagesi ngaleyo ndlela leyo ke wabona.
Yeah. So ngiyakuzwa there's this play engifuna nje sikhulume ngayo speaking of ama chop and change waka coach. Ngicabanga ukuthi uNyoxel Mart isikhathi ukuthi kumele arize isandla njenge captain. I believe ukuthi ama captain we Kaizer Chiefs abudlalile previously asisukumisile isandla. Ngitshele nje ngeperformance kaMart before ungitshele ngeyakhe bese uphinde ungitshele ngiyaka Mfundo Vilakazi paper 2.
Okay, Otham. I will say uMart akarize isandla sebenchini Otham. Not so I know. Akarize isandla asebenchini because at the end of the day uMart akana that creativity uyabo. So lento lekumele asigaye yona mangabe siyaphambili akanayo even if mawuthi uyabheka amabhola bhaya noma ngathi uyawakhatha then makumele ayosebenza le because iChiefs team ama short passes Otham. So there is nothing much esingayikhuluma ngoMart akagaye uMichael Ibhande yena azihlalele ebenchini sinje sihlukane
noVilakazi because ngicabanga ukuthi umfana had a great game namhlanje.
Okay, I will blame that on the coach as well. Yabo. Coach was a grand, we protector sharp lentona lena uyidlalisa ngama second half. Yabo. So uyiqalisa game but today uyiqalisa game of position. And I've been saying this, I think ukuthi bengikhuluma nawe mangithi ufuna ukucompete ukuthi Mfundo Vilakazi compete noMduduzi Shabala. Of which it's wrong. uMduduzi Shabala lo master that position ka number 10 role, free role. But manje Mfundo Vilakazi enjoy ukuza ngasema side ni yabona yenze lento zakhe akwazi ukuthi yabona afake that vavavume gaming. Okay baba.
So asiye nje lapha kuyaMagesi mfoka baba. How do you think i-approach yabo because mina ngicabanga ukuthi first half bakwazile ukcreate ama chances amaningi even though bangawasebenzisanga wena ubabone kanjani aMagesi?
Mfethu ngeke sithi Magesi kunento eserious eyenzile playing against the defense Chiefs engekho stable ukuyabo. So far Magesi bafuna ukudlala ngama counter attack but ke yabona ngeke udlale counter attack udlala ngabo Gift Mutuba mfethu isikhathi sabo siphelile so boma 4-5 years back futhi nayo boma 10 years back yes khona into bebayenza manje abasaphani next ngibone just one shot on target ebeyakuvuma then the rest ayikho enye into futhi engathi uGift Mutuba ugane ngayo kule game liyana yabo so maybe coach beka hope ukuthi i-experience izosebenza but now manje inyawo asavuma ukuthi angagijima ba counter attack labantu laba.
So speaking of that kunomunye umfana nje bambiza Hlona Nomtshali no ahamba lapha nomfuka kaMatimi lapha emidleleni ngibonile ukuthi bebazama ukcreate something bazama ukudlalisa abafethu. How do you rate performance yabo namanje?
Bona sizothi bazamile because of Kaizer Chiefs was allowing them. As I said, with uMart akana creativity and then Mawuthapeka uBlom basakhala nge-match fitness. I feel ukuthi nami actually I hope ukuthi match fitness because manje i-performance yakhe the time adlala then wahamba waya overseas makabuye ebuya seyidrophe kakhulu yabo. So the two midfielders that we had like kwi central yethu bebangasigaya mfethu into kumele basigaye yona like yabo. So immediately mangabe kuqala boMatlow then that's when the game changile. The same people that you are mentioning them asibabonanga manje nge-second half ukuthi manje baqale babonakale bashine yabo.
So overall asicede nje second half ngiyacabanga ukuthi second half ngibonile ucoach uedile intensity egamini add ama player afana midfielding afana nabo Ngcobo lapha yana nabo abo Dubois.
Yeah, I will say ukuthi ucoach usizile ngokuthi okay maybe acabange fast ukuthi okay tenze substitute nge second half uyabo. So but ke also ama player wakhiphile for mina I feel ukuthi isamshaya kancane riding le yakhe because uputha ifaith to ama player like wrong. I will say that for mina like Ulilepe awuthami no. Yeah. No. That's say we
are speaking of a man of the match.
Yeah,
and the performance it was brilliant for me.
Baba, Ulilepe uze ngobunye ubuso mfethu usayile kahle uchenchile ugqoka umunye umzimba iface off Nicolas Cage. I like lo muntu leya sizokhuluma ngaye kanje koze kuphela isizini.
But he's giving amakhosi since ever afikile mfethu. He's giving amakhosi something for me.
Njengani?
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngikwazi ukudlala. Yeah, angifuni ukuyi-assisting ngikwazi ukudlala esayidini because of yena. Ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach ubonile ukuthi ubonile kwaSolomons.
Okay.
Ukeda kwaSolomons ucoach ngicabanga ukuthi uyifundile lento le ukuthi okay ithi ngala in order for ukuthi ngikwazi uLepo azokwazi ukumdlalisa ithi ngede uSolomons uLepo uzokhatha phakathi wabonile ama 1-2 ngicabanga ukuthi wabonile ama 1-2 bewavela kaningi khona le side le kaSolomons noLepo.
I-challenge ukuthi ama 1-2 kaSolomons awanayo uLilepe bekaloka sele behind. You see into eyenzakalayo with uLilepe akakhona ukuthaka in avulele uSolomons and ichize ifuna ukudlala ngama back. So with uPulemodi noLilepe bahlala bavula ama wing basemasayidini so abakhona ukuthi bathake in. That's why mina ngithi it's best if you keep one of the two between uMatlow or not uMatlow I mean uPulemodi or uLilepe so that ukuthi uVilakazi akwazi ukuthi angene ngasasayidini because ukwazi ukudlala kangcono mangabadlala ngasasayidini uyabona and then uMduduzi Shabalala actually free roll with adding uNkosini Ngcobo it creates now ama opportunity for ama short passes so we will be having 4 players akwazi ukuthi asondele adlalele endaweni e1 because Kaizer Chiefs ngama long pass awuthami abekho mnandi labantu laba nge-first touch into yokuqala leyo so akusizi ukuthi ungathi uzoforce ukudlala ama long pass bangekho mnandi nge-first touch.
Asikhulume ngoPulemodi ngiyezwa ukuthi ukhuluma ngaye and ubafu omunye naye ukuthi udinga araise isandla sakhe since ukuthi afikile kuKaizer Chiefs.
It's been how many games awuthami Pirates usiphuzile Sundowns usiphuzile like we can count SuperSport usiphuzile abhaya ama game like asiphuza ku yes uyalibamba idisk uyakwazi ukungena espacini no ukwazi ukungena espacini yazi kune difference awuthami between umuntu okuthi usinikeza something nanokuthi okwazi ukuziposition yabona uPulemodi uyakhona ukuziposition but manje icomposure yakhe akana finishing so ayikwazi ukuspanela riding leg
even le goal lelo ukuthi bekumele le chance ayitholile bekumele nje uscoreile lapho
yabo
but speaking of that
still akakhona ukora and akusiyo kuphela maningi wonke lama game engiwabalayo uthola ama 1-on-1 ama clear scoring chances but akawakuri so angeke sithi sizorelaya kumuntu kanjalo yabo angeke sizorelaya kumuntu kanjalo.
So wrapping it up mfethu you believe ukuthi in terms of coach when isikhuluma ngaye amakhosi lapha the second half first 11 ukuthi ayifuna sayifana
not exactly a first 11 engathi ngiyifune ye second half but ke yes maybe boma 70-80% of the players ebewadlala kwinto mina for mina I feel ukuthi ucele noMatlow basiphakamisile isandla awuthami ucele has been giving us some man of the match performance uMatlow makangene uyayichange game because now ucele ukhona ukuthi asize idefense yethu and then uMatlow collect abe box to box uyabo so i midfielder yethu leyo being assisted with uMduduzi Shabalala or even nayo uNkosini Ngcobo because creativity khona lapha yazi ngesinye isikhathi uyalidinga player elingekho predictable.
So would you play le 4?
I will play that 4.
ULilepe umbeki ngapha
awuthami must stand in mfethu not even nase benchini kuma grandstand yabona ku striker I will rather go with a false 9 yabo
uDubois
uDubois yes it's much better if sigcwalisa abantu eboxini rather than ukuthi sento sifake out and out uchiva virus fihla ngabantu ulilepe singazi ukuthi composure uzoyenzani into ezikanjalo but ke at the end of the day asiboni ngokufana.
Yeah, hayi siyabonga mfuka baba, siyabonga. Iyona iTimeline Radio Sports. Sacela ukuthi nisubscribe lapha yana ku YouTube isitholakele. Siyabonga kakhulu.